You ask from Lodi na lang. Oblong. Lahat na lang ng oblong.
Sphere. Yan, sphere.
Round. Pearl. This is pearl. Wawalain mo earrings ni Mimaw to eh.
Ay, i-ask Lodi to buy you, ano na lang.
Buy na lang
Buy earrings for Joaquin. Say, Lodi. Lodi. Buy earrings. Buy earrings. Lodi, get earrings. Of Mimaw.
But it's not for boys. Not for boys, for girls only, baby. Halika, titignan natin, bubutasan natin yung ears mo, ganyan. Tusok natin ears mo, you like? You like tusok ears? Ganyan, look at me, Mau, tusok yan eh.
Ay, tusok ears. You like ba?
Tusok
Tusok yung ears?
Tusok ears? Wala hindi pwedeng tusok ears eh. Ha? Sakit. You want?
Ipit. Iipit ka.
Ipit ka, you like?
Ipit yung...
Si Rodi ng rainbow necklace.
Necklace naman. Asan yung rainbow necklace?
Joaquin, may rainbow necklace ni Joaquin.
Ay, sus, hindi pwedeng necklace din for boys, for girls, ha? For girls yun, ha? Yes? Boy si Joaquin Mimaw is a girl. Hindi pwede yun. No, hindi pwede yun. Rainbow necklace for Joaquin, ha?
Ayaw mo, game mo yung girl.
O ride in the car na tayo.
Halika na. Ride car na.